Greetings. This is a quick video related to accepting or rejecting a contract A, B or F from Dubai brokers. We will go through the process of receiving the contract, one-time passcode and reviewing the contract before accepting. It's important first to mention the entire contract process is completed online and remotely. Your broker will log into the Dubai Land Department system to raise a contract with the terms and conditions agreed between you. Once the contract has been completed, it will be sent to you as a buyer or as a seller by SMS and email. In the SMS and email, you receive a link from Dubai Land Department. First, you have to click the link provided, which will load a one-time pass request page, and on this page you should click Get Token. The system will generate a one-time passcode which you will receive by SMS and by email. Once received, enter the code into the box to verify your identity. Once you have verified your identity, the contract will load for review on the same page. However, it's important to note that the OTP codes are time sensitive and you may not refresh or go back on any pages, as this will result you having to start the process again. Once the contract has loaded, you should review it entirely and check the box that mentions I've read, and either then accept or decline the contract. Another useful tip may be needed in the future is to note down and keep a record of the contract number. In case you have a contract you want to check that is currently active, this can be done through the Dubai Rest app with the contract number and mobile. You should first download the Dubai Rest app from the relevant app store and click on Services at the bottom, find Broker Contract and then hit Proceed to Service. On the form that appears, enter the contract number you have, plus the mobile number used at the time of accepting and click Search. Once the contract is found, you will again have to click Get Token and follow the same process as above. You will be able to cancel, download or review the contract as you wish. I hope this video has been informative. If so, please share with others who may also find it useful in the future. I've been Chris. Until the next one, take care.